So I'm going to move on now to the test area. And one of the areas of feedback that we got, as I mentioned earlier when I was just giving you an overview of the new features, is that the way our courses are set up, the way eLab is set up, I'm going to enter eLab as a student now. I'm going to click the View as Learner tab. And I'm going to go to this course. So as a student, there are a couple different kinds of tests and quizzes that are available in eLab. From the content area, which is where the training materials are located for eLab, within each lesson in the book, there are various resources here. Okay, the student exercise files, video tutorials, all different kinds of content. And then the last thing is always a concept review quiz. And the concept review quizzes are really designed to be a self-check for the student. They used to be printed in the textbook. We removed them from the textbook with our Office 2010 series to save valuable page space and move them to eLab so that they are automatically graded. The students can take them and get instant feedback. And they're really designed as a self-check. So because of that, in eLab, we've always included them in the content area, in the training area, because that's how we viewed them. But, we had several customers, came to us and said, we understand why they are where they are, but our students take all their other tests by going to the test area. And they miss the concept quizzes sometimes. Maybe they're not a student who views the videos, okay? And they just are working through the exercises in the book. And so it's confusing to students, and some students miss them because they're used to going to the test area for most of their tests, but then going to the content area for concept review quizzes. So what we did is we simply added the ability for the student to now access these quizzes from either place. So they are still in the content area. They can be accessed from there. They're also now on the student test page, so the student can simply start the quiz from the student test page, and everything else is the same. It's just basically they're accessing the test from a different. They have more options of where to access those quizzes from, and hopefully it will alleviate some of that confusion for students.